Hi guys! Welcome to our daily stock market drop. So ngayong October 22, 2020, ang PSEi ay actually nag-close siya higher. That's actually a last minute buying that pushed the index to close higher to 6,344.63, or it's actually up by 66.04 points or 1.05%. Value turnover around 9.81 billion, which is mas mataas sa year-to-date average of around 6.5 at second day of foreign buying. That's actually around 214 million. So at least may pakonti-konti ng foreign buying. So let's see kung mag-continue siya. So yeah, bakit nga ba pumapasok na yung mga foreigners? I think naghahanap sila ng higher yield, and comparing it to other stock market performance, ang Dow Jones kasi nag-create na siya ng year-to-date, all-time high, and currently retesting that all-time high. Same with S&P 500. Yun, nagkaroon din siya ng all-time high and possibly retesting that this week. And syempre, yung Nasdaq, ito talaga laging nagcreate ng all-time high and possibly retest the previous all-time high. So, yeah, tingin ko naghahanap yung mga foreigners ng higher yield or returns. And I think the PSEi is, fit siya doon. Kasi nga, tignan mo naman, hindi siya masyadong nag-move or nagko-consolidate lang siya. And then, saka lang siya nag-bounce nung nagkaroon ng foreign buying. So, yeah. Check natin. So, this is actually for me the consolidation area. And on a daily time frame, it could possibly retest the previous high of around 6.5 kung magtutuloy-tuloy ang inflows. And of course, the support I'm currently looking at is around the 6,100 levels. And please take note, meron tayong gap dito. So, let's see kung ma-fill niya tong mga to by next week. So, the key thing is, of course, to break this 6,500. So, since Friday bukas, I'm expecting a possible pullback ng konti. So, let's see how the PSEi goes tomorrow. So, next is puntahan natin yung mga most actively traded stocks. So, 8 lang. Bagal, wait, i-ano ko lang to. I-close ko siya muna para lumiit yung ano. And ano ba tong isa? Ano to? Ito. Yung ano ko mamaya. So, close muna natin siya. Mamayang gabi. And then, ito. Siguro okay na yan. So, antayin na lang natin. It's just loading. So, anyway, habang naghihintay tayo, so I think disclaimer lang guys, I'm not nag-o-offer ng financial advice. Because, alam nyo naman, trading and investing have risk, so lagi tayong maging maingat sa pag-i-invest at saka sa pag-trade natin ng financial asset kung saan yung forte natin. Actually, for the Philippine stocks, di ako masyadong nag-trade, but sabi ko nga, pumasok ako around March 25. And then, more on, hindi ko siya actually tinitignan daily, though nag-update ako. Ang mostly tinitignan ko is, focus ko talaga is more on sa cryptocurrencies. So, anyway, cryptocurrency, some commodities, and Nasdaq. So, yan. So, habang inantay natin, ayan. Yun. So, LTG. So, I think LTG is, nasabi ko, it's one of the undervalued stocks in the conglomerate sector or the holding sector. Ayun, no, ang ganda. Anyway, check na muna natin nga. However, yun, ano na siya, it's already at overbought. So, I'm expecting a pullback from here. Possible pullback. Sorry. Bayan. Check lang natin kung merong ano. Ayun, no? It's trading around RSI of 87% na. 87 na kasi. So, yeah, posible pa namang umakyat, pero syempre yung upside potential na is hindi na ganon kalaki. Wait, let's check on the weekly time frame. So, even sa weekly. But then again, for LTG, kung masosustain niya yan, possibly retest this area sa weekly time frame, ha? Around the 17 area, at ang tinitignan kong support at this area, around the 9.30 pesos. So, check natin. Yeah, kahit sa weekly, around 74 na. May posible pang upside, pero possibly hindi na siya ganon kalaki. So, let's see kung mag-lolong ako dito if the risk reward is still attractive. Well, at this rate, nakulangan siya ng 0.02 eh. So, yeah, I think it's a no trade zone muna sa akin for LTG. And maliban dyan is, yeah, kung titingnan mo nga naman yung daily, it's actually going up. Pero nakikita nyo yung volume niya din, hindi naman ganun na kalaki. So, tingin ko is magpo-pullback na siya. Yeah, it's the risk is much higher than the possible reward that I will be getting from trading it. Anyway, let's move to another stock, NIKL Asia. So, nickel, so kung makikita, actually commodities or metals is actually trading good. Actually, close to high still. Actually, nag-trade sila ng si gold, ang alam ko, nag-trade siya ng all-time high. I think, yeah. Eto, nickel, check natin to. So, eto, nickel is, 2019, at least, nagre-recover na din yung nickel price. So, I think that's it. Kaya siya possibly retest niya yung all-time high. I think that's it kasi maganda yung performance ng nickel. Kaya, nickel. Kaya umaakyat din yung nickel stocks. So, looking at the daily, at saka may net foreign buying sila. Ayun, no? Ang ganda. But then again, currently, RSI around the 73 area. So, tinitignan kong resistance. Yeah, weekly ang gagamitin ako ha. Kasi, di naman ako masyadong daily dito na nagtitingin. Or, nagtitrade. So, ang tinitignan kong resistance around the 4.42 area. So, actually, even here. So, yan, around 450 at support around this area. Meron pa pala dito. Around the 3.5. So, kung titignan ko siya or kung iti-trade ko siya, I mean, hindi ko na siya iti-trade kasi the RSI is almost or yun, parang konti na lang yung possible upside. But then again, it also depends on the trader. But for me, hindi ko na siya iti-trade. So, that's still a possible upside of risk-reward ratio, 1 lang siya. Possible upside of around 12.88. Kapag na-hit yung TP area ko around 4.5 at posible ako malugi ng 12% kapag na-hit yung stop loss ko around 3.5. So, anyway, let's move to another stock, si Meralco. I think sa mining companies, ang tinitingnan kong attractive is si Felix and tsaka si FNI. So, Meralco at resistance siya. So, at resistance, check natin. Well, at least, pa rin siya. Hindi naman siya, I mean, nasa lang siya, around 58 area yung RSI. So, it could still possibly retest this area around 371. Actually, ang earnings neto next week, nasulat ko yung earnings neto around next week, 9 months earnings, I think 26 around 3 p.m. So, pwede nyong abangan yung possible earnings result nito. But I think mag-ano muna to. Tingin ko magpo-pullback siya. Anyway, may pa naman Kung dividend ang pag-uusapan, actually Meralco bibigay siya ng very good dividends. But possibly it's still a good trade. Risk-reward ratio of 3.89. Posible akong kumita ng around 25% kapag na-hit yung TP area ko around 370 at posible akong malugi ng 6% kapag na-stop out ako around 277. But for me, for Meralco, it's better to wait yung yung 9 months earnings niya on Monday. So, no trade zone ako kay Meralco. SMPH. Mas okay sa akin gamitin yung weekly. Anyway. SMPH. It's check natin. Ayun, breakout sa Wait, check. Actually, pwede nyo ding gamitin. It's actually a breakout sa RSI and continuously trending higher. So, possibly, i-retest niya to around the 71 area. Currently, nasa 57 pa lang siya So, check natin kung attractive pa siya kung pumasok ako at this level. So, tingin ko magpo-pullback muna siya kasi Friday din bukas. Wait, check natin tong daily time frame. Ayun meron pala siyang gaps doon. So, check ko lang yung RSI ng daily. Na siya halos nasa na. So, wait ko na lang siya na mag pullback ng konti. Kasi kung papasok ako ngayon, hindi rin naman siya papasa sa risk-reward ratio ko. So, tingnan ko na lang. Actually, hindi naman ako masyadong nag-trade sa sa stock market. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kasi 8 lang. 8 actively traded stocks. And then BPI. Si BPI, sabi ko nga, I'm not trading or I don't want to trade bank stocks. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, ang mga tao na ang magiging future bank. So, yun. Dami din pala nitong gaps. Gap, dito lang. Dito na lang. So, yan. And, kung mapapansin nyo, that's almost close to, ayun no, nag-ano siya. Ano na kasi siya eh, lumagpas na siya sa 80 RSI na 80 eh. So, it's actually bound for correction. So, for now, it's, antayin natin siya na mag-create ng good support base. So, actually, ang tinitignan kong support around 67 area. And of course, resistance at this area around 78. So, sa ngayon, mas malaki yung risk kaysa sa possible reward. So, TA-wise, it's a no trade zone. Sa fundamentals naman, I will not trade banks. Next is Security Bank. Oh, Security Bank. Some banks na naman. So, check lang natin yung RSI. Ayun na. RSI pababa and it's a net foreign selling. So, for now, yeah, medyo mas malaki yung risk kaysa sa possible upside. Fundamentally, I will not trade bank stocks. So, TA-wise, ito yung mga tinitingnan kong support areas. Resistance around 110 and support around 100, around this area or around 91. So, sa ngayon, yeah, mas malaki yung possible downside or risk. So, it's a no trade zone muna sa akin, si Security Bank. So, next is GTCAP. GTCAP, yung mga subsidiary ni GTCAP is medyo siya eh. May kasama siyang bank, may kasama siyang property, and si Toyota. So, medyo hindi siya, parang hindi siya priority at this time, at this pandemic. So, tingin ko, medyo mahihirapan siyang umakyat. Though currently, it's one of the undervalued stocks. So, syempre, aantayin mo lang siya. So, sa ngayon ay on the daily time frame, nagbibuild siya ng net foreign buying. But for now, it's a no trade zone sa akin. Risk-reward ratio is not attractive. At maliban dyan, RSI is, pababa siya. So, yeah, I think that's it for GTCAP 1, 2, 3. And last is TEL. For telco, TEL at saka Globe, actually wala akong plan na i-trade, but I'm holding dito and now. I think mas malaki yung possible upside nila when it comes to valuations, market cap valuation. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko kay. Ba't parang ang pangit ng nangyari? Ba't parang ang pangit ng Ang tinitingnan kong resistance around 1,480. Meron pala siyang gap doon. And support as this area. Around 1,285. Nangyari. But then again, sabi ko nga, for telco, I will not trade. I will not trade talaga. I will not trade tel at saka Globe kasi sa tingin ko is na-reach na nila yung peak nila kung peak as a company. Di ba kasi sa business model, syempre mag-start ka, mag-grow, marireach yung peak, and then syempre after the peak, mag-stabilize. So syempre hindi na ganon kalaki yung possible return. So kaya nga sabi ko, ang holdings ko is dito and now, kasi tingin ko sila yung mas malaki yung growth potential. Ito, TEL at saka C-Globe is mas malaki yung possible na syempre na i-lose nila ng or ikawala nila ng customers, 'di ba? Syempre alam mo naman mga Pilipino, 'di ba? They've been here for quite so long, 'di ba? Tapos ganun pa rin yung internet. So I think it's time for us to try a better service, mas mabilis. So yeah. But then again, kung risk reward lang ratio, it's actually 3.05. Attractive naman siya. Posible akong kumita kung sakali ng 11.02%, kaso yung 11.02 parang relatively hindi siya ganun kalaki in my own trading strategy. And anyway, but then again, kung gusto nyo siyang tingnan, you could still possibly gain around 11%. At kung sakali ma-trade ko siya, posible akong malugi ng around 3.61% sa stop loss ko of around 1 to 85. So I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. Yun na yun eh. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think that's it. So check na lang natin yung yung iba pang stocks na nasa sector or yeah, titignan natin siya bawat sector. So sa ngayon, ang PSEi ay may year-to-date returns of around down siya ng 18.82%. Kung yung portfolio nyo, or yung portfolio ko is better than this, masaya na ako. So I think that's it. And the biggest gainers year-to-date ay si Emperador of around 38. Pangalawa si TEL of around 35. At ang biggest loser ay si Security Bank of around 50% down siya. And then next is si GTCAP. So I think that's it for the PSEi ROI year-to-date. At puntahan naman natin yung bawat sector. So, sa financials, wait, check ko lang. So, ang attractive sa financials is actually Union Bank. Kaso yung possible gain is 7.01% lang. Medyo maliit siya versus the average. So, might not possibly, wag ko na lang siyang tignan. So, next is, check natin sa industrials. So, industrials, average 2.65. So, check natin. Si pizza, sa industrials, 2.65. Si DNL, of course, si DNL, tinitignan ko talaga yan, si DNL. Actually, na-trade ko na siya, and nakalabas na ako. Ang kulit lang. So, kung titingnan nyo on a daily, I think resistance na siya. So, possibly mag-pullback. Wait, check natin yung Ayun, no? It's going up and going down. So, that's actually a bearish divergence. Going up. And samantalang ito, going down. So, yun. It's actually a bearish divergence. So, antayin natin siyang magkaroon ng antayin natin siya sa support area. So, sa ngayon, it's no trade zone sa DNL. Pero ang support na tinitignan ko, around the 5.5 area. Actually, pwede siya din. Around 5.5. And of course, the resistance around 6.22 area. So, next is, so antayin muna natin si DNL sa support, and then IMI. Si IMI Tech, actually meron silang briefing. I just forgot. Hindi ko alam kung nalagay ko sa calendar ko. But for IMI, mukhang ano siya. At medyo may gaps siya dito sa area na to. Oh, hindi pala yan. So, tingnan natin to kung ano. Tingnan natin to bukas. Pero pababa na kasi siya eh. So, might possibly, yeah, antayin natin siya sa strong support area of around 5.42. Pag nag-breakdown siya dyan, possibly this area, around 4.65. So, mas magiging attractive na siya kapag bumaba siya. So, yeah, I think that's it for now. And the resistance around 6.66 area. So, sa ngayon, it's a no trade zone muna tayo kay IMI. Kasi pababa yung RSI niya, and then nag-create siya ng bearish candle. So, next, I'm in here. Si Jollibee. Of course, si Jollibee. Si Jollibee, it's a good stock. Accumulating lang ako dyan, or yeah, kapag nagkaroon ng opportunity to buy, of course, bibili ako para sa kapatid ko. Kasi I'm holding a different food or restaurant stocks. Ano na to? Hinahanap ko si McDonald's. So, ang competitor niya si McDonald's, sabi ko nga, it's at all-time high. At kung mapapansin nyo din, sa Jollibee, yung kanyang affiliate is lagi siyang bumibili. So, sa ngayon ay nasa, na siya eh. Or lumagpas na siya sa sa 80 at saka 20 ko na RSI level. So, I think it's time or bound for correction. So, ang tinitingnan kong support around this area, around the 144 area, here, around the 150 area, and of course, the immediate resistance at this area, around the 217 area. So, for now, it's a no trade zone muna tayo kasi, overbought na siya. So, I'll wait for a mas better or attractive price. Oh, hindi pala yan. So, next is si Max. Yeah, I think na-explain ko na din ito kahapon. Si Max. Actually, medium siya eh. Ang target kasing customer nito is middle income. So, of course, mas mauunang magpipick up si Jollibee before etong si Max. So, sa ngayon ay, wait lang, check natin yung RSI nito. Ayun, no? Ayun. Nasa na kasi siya eh. Nasa siya kahapon. Wait, check natin. 73 area or 77 area. So, yun. And ngayon, ay nag-pullback na siya. So, I think, antayin muna natin siya sa good support area. Ang support na tinitingnan ko around this area, around the 5.05. And of course, the resistance I'm looking at is this area, around the 6.4. Pero, on a weekly time frame, syempre kung may time, or may time kayo, kung kaya nyo siyang i-hold, ang nakikita ko kasi siya is, kailangan niya kasing mag-breakout eh. Pababang triangle eh. Yun kasing nakikita ko. And this is actually a more bullish sign. Pababa. Kapag nag-breakout yan sa taas. So, actually, I'm expecting a breakout So, check natin. So, kaya yun yung target area ko. Oh, copy lang natin to. Copy, paste, and then, lagay natin siya dito. So, kapag nag-breakout siya dyan, depende kung saan siya mag-breakout. That's actually my possible target. But sa ngayon is, I'm looking at around the 26 area as a target. Pero, syempre, medyo mataas siya. So, pwede namang magkaroon ng TP1 and TP2. So, pwede akong mag-TP at around 14 pesos area. And then, of course, saka ko siya aantayin sa target kong around 26 area. So, I think that's it for Max. And then, next is si MWC. MWC is highly regulated by the government eh. Kaya, alam mo naman ang government anyway. But, yeah. Check natin yung RSI neto. RSI niya is pataas pa rin naman. It's currently at 56. So, yun. On a weekly time frame, ito yung tinitignan kong resistance eh. At the 20 pesos and support at this area. So, at the around 12 pesos. So, syempre, kung kaya kong maghintay or kung attractive lang, wait, check ko nga. Pwede pa naman. So, that's actually a possible risk-reward of around, of around 2.86. Kaso, ang posible ko lang kitain is around 40.59%. Actually, pwede na din. Pasado naman siya sa risk-reward ratio ko. Yun nga lang kasi, hindi siya ganun kalaki. But then again, 40% is for the stock market is actually good. Kasi nga, year-to-date naman, the PSEi is actually down by 18.82%. Kung mas maganda dyan or mas maliit dyan yung lugi mo or gain ka year-to-date, you're actually doing good. Diba? So, next is PCOR. PCOR. Check lang ulit natin. Weekly time frame. So, actually, ang tagal ng consolidation niya on a weekly. I think it's really bound for Ang tagal ng consolidation niya. Mag-add tayo ng indicator. Ayun, no? Nagta-tighten siya. So, it's really bound for a possible breakout. And, tingin ko naman, tingin ko naman yung, we're on a recovery stage. So, I think it's bound for it to move higher. So, yan yung tinitignan ko kay PCOR. Around the 5 pesos area and, possibly around this area as a possible support. Pwede pala siya in fairness. So, let's see. Check ko siya. Hopefully, bumagsak pa nga ito nang makapasok ako. So, risk-reward ratio is 8.86. So, and the possible gain is 80%. So, mukha naman siyang attractive sa akin. So, let's see. Ayun, no? Kasi it's really bound for bound for breakout. So, the worst is over. So, Tingnan ko. Well, actually, sa oil kasi, mas gusto kong pumasok sa global. Mas okay ata akong mag-trade as a leverage trader. Feeling ko lang. Pizza. Ito may holding ako dito. Max and Pizza are, pagkain yung holding ko, and telco. Anyway. So, sa pizza, check lang natin yung RSI niya. Actually, ang time frame na gamit ko is the weekly time frame. Yeah, pwede rin daily, pero sa akin kasi mas chillax. Mas okay mag-trade. Mas okay sa akin yung longer time frame. Tingin ko lang. So, actually, that's a risk-reward ratio of 3.01. Posible akong kumita ng 54.75. At posible naman akong malugi ng 18% kapag na-stop out ako around 5.17. Ang initial kong target is around 9.78. Pero actually for it, dito kasi yung target ko eh. Or, actually even here. All-time high. To create an all-time high. But anyway, yan muna yung target natin, around 9.78. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, ang nilagay ko doon is 1220. 1220. Where is it? I think dito yung target ko. 1220. So, eto pala yung target ko. Weekly time frame. But anyway, 91%. But I think mag-recreate to ng all-time high. Yeah, feeling ko lang sa mga pagkain. Kasi sila yung unang mag-move before yung mga other sectors. In my opinion, of course. So, I think that's it for pizza. It's actually rewarding. Actually, na-trade ko na siya dito. And then, nabenta ko around here. So, meron ulit ako nito. And, yeah, I'm planning na i-hold siya until ma-reach niya yung 12.50. But, kung may opportunity to sell, why not, diba? So, yan, sa ngayon, ang kay pizza. But sabi ko, hindi ako masyadong checking ng stocks. So, I think yun lang. Actually, tech. Let's check on tech. Techs, yeah, favorite ko ang Nasdaq eh. Nasdaq. Tech. Ang kulit lang eh. So, actually, consolidating lang siya. It's a weekly na yan ah. Kung i-add natin tong Bollinger Band, that's bound for, I think, for breakout. A good breakout. Ayun. So, antayin natin. Magkaroon lang ng volume eh. So, anyway. Wait lang ah. Check ko lang yung kung merong and this is what's that? 5 point something? 5.07 and this is 5.02. So, pababa and actually meron siyang bullish divergence. This is going down and this is going up. So, wow, ganda pala nito. At nakikita nyo naman is yung Bollinger niya lumiliit. Bollinger Band. So, it's really bound for possible big move this week or possibly next week. So, ang tinitignan kong resistance at that area, 12 pesos. Pero pwede mong i-check itong, pwede rin namang dito muna at 950. And then kapag nag-breakout siya sa 950, posible sa 12.31. So, and of course, sa ngayon is this area yung tinitignan ko na support area. Uy, ang ganda nito. So, yeah, let's see. Wait, kung check ko kung makakapasok ako dito. At a very attractive price. So, bullish divergence. Anyway, that's actually a possible risk reward of 6.36. Posible akong kumita ng 73% kapag na-hit yung TP area ko around 9.5. At posible akong malugi ng 11.51% kapag na-stop out ako around 4.92 area. So, check natin to. Check ko pala yan. Si Tech. I think that's it for Tech. And then for property 1.72. Oh, SM Prime. Kailangan ano natin to kasi nag-close siya at 33. So yung TP area natin mag-a-adjust. SMPH. Ayun no. Kasi yan lang yung initial ko na resistance. Ngayon, papalitan natin siya ng 42 area. So, yun. Yun na yung possible upside niya. Diba? Mas okay pag may Excel eh. So, next is sa property, tinitignan ko si VLL and ayoko si Primex eh, sorry. Jerry ayoko din. Si Fly. Ayoko din si DMW. Maybe Fly Brown and VLL. So, check natin si Fly. Ay muna si BRN. Actually, nag-stock market pa ako. Nag-stock market pa ako. Nung mga ano pa. Bearish divergence. So, wag muna natin siyang i-trade. Bearish divergence agad. Yeah. Posible niya itong i-retest ang support area of around 74. And of course, resistance natin nakita ko around 90 cents. Bearish divergence. It's going up, but it's already going down. So, antayin natin siya sa strong support base. So, no trade zone tayo dyan kay Brown. So, next is Fly. Fly again. Si Fly, tagal niya din sa consolidation, no? Wait lang, check natin. This is 0.82 and this is 0.77. Okay. So, for Fly, kailangan lang niya to ng kailangan lang niya ng push for it to move higher sa around 1.5. Maganda yung niya eh. Kaso kailangan talaga ng yun. May mag-push for it to move higher. Kasi maganda naman siya eh. It's actually an attractive trade. Posible akong kumita ng 62%. Pero posible akong malugi ng 4.14% kapag na-hit yung TP ko around 1.53 at stop loss area naman na 80 cents. So, yun. 62% is actually good for stock market. Antay lang siguro to. Okay naman eh. It's actually siya eh. Ayun no. Actually, may bullish divergence siya eh. So, antayin lang to ng possible. Kailangan ng kailangan ng may matinding push para i-break itong previous immediate resistance at this area. Para para ma-hit tong target of around 1.5. So, yun ang kay Fly. And then, Jerry, ayoko kay Jerry. Primex, ayoko din sa kanya. And of course, si Vistaland, VLL, yung nangyari dito. I think kahapon na din natin to. Anyway, I'm using the weekly time frame. Ayun, no, pababa pa rin siya. So, sa ngayon, antayin muna natin siya in a good support. Ngayon kasi, pababa pa rin siya eh. So, no trade zone muna kay VLL. So, it could possibly retest yung support area of around 3 pesos. And of course, resistance na nakikita ko, immediate resistance, of course, this area. Breakout to that area could possibly retest the 4.34 area. So, I think that's it for now. Pero isa na siya sa mga undervalued property stocks. And then, let's move to conglomerates or holdings. So, sa holdings naman, it's only DMC, LPZ, and MPI. AGI din. Yeah. AGI. Yeah, ito yung Ito nag-ooperate ng, ano bang tawag sa McDonald's dito? Golden Arches Development Corporation. Golden Archers? Archers ba yan? I think yan. Basta yun. Ang kulit lang eh. So, yun. And I think it's consolidating at this area. Pero nag-breakout na siya eh. So, it could possibly retest this area around the 12 pesos area. And of course, the support I'm currently looking at is eto na. 754 at saka 12. 1650 pala yung ko. Ito kasing immediate. Pero ito kasi talaga yung target ko. Kasi, maganda naman siyang company. So, pwede akong mag-TP1 dito and mag-TP2. Kasi nga si McDonald's nga all-time high, di ba? So, yun. So, this is actually a possible 48% kapag nakita yung TP ko sa 12 pesos. At ito naman, posible akong kumita ng 100%. So, it's an attractive trade para sa akin. For AGI. And then next is, aside from that, it's very undervalued. Aside from that, next is DMC. So, check natin si DMC. So, DMC is currently trading around 450. Ang nahihirapan siyang makawala sa consolidation area. So, yeah, I think for now, it's a no trade zone muna tayo kay DMC. Tingin ko siya. Pero paakyat pa naman siya. I'll wait for it na mag-breakout sa consolidation. And a possible target of around 7.09. So, yeah. Sa ngayon, ang support na tinitingnan ko at this area around 3.39. So, no trade zone muna ako sa kanya. But of course, kung long term ka, it's actually one of the good stocks na to hold. Check natin. Kasi hindi siya nag-breakout nakulang. So that's actually an attractive trade. Posible ako pa rin naman ako kumita ng around 57%. Pero syempre hindi ko muna siya papasukin at this level. Antayin ko muna siya mag-breakout or bibilin ko siya at support. So after DMC is Lopez. It's a no trade zone muna tayo. Pababa pa rin yung kanyang RSI. So, ang tinitignan kong immediate resistance around 2.85 and support around the 2.19 area. So, for now, mas malaki yung rest. So, it's a no trade zone muna tayo despite a higher risk reward niya. And then si MPI. Si MPI magre-release ng earnings siya. Nakalimutan ko. I think November 4. So, sa ngayon, it's, ayun no, merong siyang, wait lang it's, hindi. Akala ko meron siyang divergence. So, convergence pala siya. Pareho siyang going up. Anyway, it's already at, dahil dyan, nag-breakout siya konti sa resistance. Nag-breakout naman siya. However, pababa din kasi yung RSI. So, yeah, I think magpo-pullback muna siya before it will retest this resistance area of around 5.20. So, I think the possible catalyst niyan is the earnings. So, ang tinitingnan kong support around 3 pesos. So, let's see. Pero, yeah, I think, yeah, medyo mataas kasi. So, yeah, antayin ko muna siya at a very attractive price. So, for now, it's a no trade zone for MPI. Oh, and next is sa services. So, Cebu Pacific. For travel, ayoko muna sa mga travels kasi mahihirapan sila in operations pre-COVID. Mahihirapan pa to. Though, pwede mo siyang i-trade. However, kasi, yun, baka it will take longer before magkaroon sila ng income. So, for now, yeah, fundamentally, it's a no trade zone for me. So, next is MRSGI. MRSGI retail. Actually, attractive naman yung retail. However, ang meron ako is, mas gusto ko yung less or mas attractive valuation, which is si Mary Mart. Actually, mababa na din to si MRSGI. Kaso, hindi lang kasi yung investor sentiment or liquidity, hindi siya ganun nakikita. So, kailangan niya ng added liquidity. So, si Pure Gold, of course, si Pure Gold, kahapon, hindi tayo nakapasok. So, anyway, si Pure Gold is, pero hindi, kasi ang comment ko pala kahapon is, medyo hindi siya ganun, yeah, previously kasi na-trade ko siya and I have an attractive returns. But kung makikita nyo, it's actually nag-create na siya ng strong support and I think tutuloy na siya within the next few days. At saka, yun trending higher din yung kanyang RSI. So, I think it's an attractive trade. So, posible pa rin akong kumita ng 25% kapag na-hit yung TP area ko around 53 at posible akong malugi ng 4% kapag na-hit yung stop out ko around 41. So, I think that's it for PGOLD and then ayoko si Togs Tugboat. SeaWeb. Yeah, SeaWeb. Sa tourism, yeah, ayoko din masyado muna sa tourism. It's going down. So, yeah, antay tayo ng good, or antay ako ng good, strong support. So, but fundamentally, I will not trade etong mga ganitong companies at the moment. Yeah, mas malaki kasi yung possible risk. Hindi, I mean, medyo matatagalan sila na magkaroon ng kita or ma-meet yung kita pre-COVID operations. So, but anyway, antay muna ako ng good support, possibly around 2 pesos. So, yeah. But at this level, attractive na pa rin naman siya. Posible pa rin akong kumita ng 63% kapag na-hit yung TP ko around 4.29. At posible akong malugi ng 20% kapag na-stop out around 2 pesos. So, next is, yeah, of course, the last is the mining and oil. For mining and oil, I'm trading gold and commodities and metals, but yeah, I'm not trading oil, or I'm mining an oil company sa PSE. But yung pinaka-attractive is when it comes to returns then is Philex. Philex and FNI, APX. APX. Well, sa ngayon, ano pa, no trade zone muna ako kay APX. Antayin ko siya at support level around the 1.75 area. Or possibly, pwede dyan nating i-retest at this area kung babalik pa siya ng 1 peso. So, sa ngayon, it's a no trade zone sa akin si APX. So, next is si FNI. Si FNI, tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, si NIKL is actually trading good. But sa ngayon, yeah, nagko-consolidate lang siya Pero, mas attractive kasi siya i-trade versus sa nickel. So, I think, yeah, antay lang ng konti. At, yeah, posible niyang i-retest yung 1.87, which is, tingin ko naman, due for it na i-retest. That's actually a possible 42% na profit kapag na-hit yung TPR ko around 1.85 at posible akong malugi ng 13%